Assalamualaikum and good morning to Miss Nadia. My name is Hazimah and I am the first presenter. So our group have choose community service campaign titled One Community, One Care. So as we know, the strength of a society is measured by how it treats its most vulnerable members. So our campaign addresses issues that matter deeply to our local society, focusing on community welfare and charity to ensure that no one is left behind. We are here to communicate why this initiative is vital and how it benefits all of our stakeholders. To begin, let's look at what One Community, One Care truly represents. So it is a social responsibility initiative that specifically designed to address critical welfare issues within our local society. So we believe in a community-first approach or community initiative where we bridge the gap between those who can provide support and the families who require assistance. So our philosophy is to move beyond the simple charity. While immediate aid is important, our campaign is dedicated to creating long-term and sustainable support structures that lead to true empowerment for those in need. So by connecting support providers directly with individuals, we transform the act of giving into a foundation for a stronger community. Okay, next, strategic objective. To ensure our campaign makes a lasting impact, we have established 4 strategic objectives. Firstly, encourage social unity. So here we aim to create a sense of shared responsibility and empowerment among local neighbors and encouraging everyone to look out for one another. Next, engage key stakeholders. So we seek to collaborate with local businesses, government bodies, and volunteers to maximize our impact and resources. Other than that, raise the community awareness, where we want to promote understanding of local welfare issues to motivate people to take an active role in alleviating these problems. Lastly, provide tangible support. So we are not just talking about help, but we also organize direct programs such as food banks, professional workshops, and health screening to meet immediate physical and educational needs. Okay, I think that's all for my part. I will pass to the next presenter.
This slide highlights the main stakeholders involved in our community welfare activity. The first one, we have the aid recipients. These are the individuals who receive assistance directly from welfare activity. They include vulnerable groups such as the elderly orphans, persons with disability, and devotee family. The support provided through welfare programs help improve their well-being and quality of life. For example, food basket programs and basic needs donations can help to reduce their financial burden and ensure that their essential daily needs are met. Next, we have the local community. The local community plays an important role by providing operations and support in the implementations of welfare activity. They help identify individuals and families who are in need of assistance and ensure that aid reach the right beneficiaries. In addition, community members promote the spirit of volunteerism and social responsibility. For example, they may participate in go-to-work activity, organize donations, drive, or contribute food, clothing, and other necessity to support welfare programs.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Farah Dena binti Muhammad Nazri and my metric number is 2024214854. Okay, now I'm going to talk about the main other stakeholders that are involved in the community welfare. So, the third, we have healthcare volunteers, which conduct health campaigns to prevent diseases and promote a healthy lifestyle within the community. For example, we have free checkup services that have high risk of disease such as active virus or even cancers. Other than that, healthcare volunteers has free vaccination that is provided by KKM, which is Kementerian Kesehatan Malaysia. Second, the healthcare volunteers provide treatments and counseling services by offering direct medical care and emotional support to the individuals in the community. They also provide mental health campaigns and society for counseling, so it is open for all of the community. And lastly, getting treatment for minor illness for the healthcare volunteers. And this is also can be helped by the KKM. Lastly, healthcare volunteers help in raising public health awareness to prevent disease and maintain a healthy lifestyle. They also gives up programs in the variety of talks on healthy lifestyle, hygiene education in schools, and lastly, anti-smoking or anti-drug awareness campaign. The next main stakeholder that I'm going to discuss about is the government agency. As we all know, the government formulates policies and laws related to community in development to protect the citizens and the community, also improve the quality of their life. For example, National Social Policy, Dasar Sosial Negara, or KPWKM, which is the Kementerian Pembangunan Wanita, Keluarga, and Masyarakat. Second, the government agency provides funding and public facilities. They provide this by providing financial assistance for the low-income groups or communities such as the B40s with cash and aid programs. Next, they also have funding for health clinics such as, like I said before, the healthcare volunteers from KKM, Kementerian Kesehatan Malaysia. And lastly, they help in support the education programs and skill training. Lastly, the government agency helps and implement welfare and social development programs. For example, as I said before, development in the B40 assistance program. By the program, they give out many aid facilities such as food and drinks assistance, healthcare, education, and lastly, they help the welfare support for elderly people, children, and disability persons. These programs help the community to improve. By this, they help to improve the community or the citizen's life. And that's a good sign that could help grow our economic national income, because the more citizens or community that we protect, the more welfare that it will give back to our country. Last main stakeholder, which is the Policy and Security Agency, helps to ensure the safety and security during community programs such as community cleanups, family days, health campaigns, or even public events. They manage this by controlling the traffic that are in open areas or even public events. This is to prevent fights, disturbance, or accidents that will disrupt the programs. Also, they help in assist with the safety plans such as evacuation procedures in case of emergency. Next, the policy that is enforced by the security agencies, which is enforcing laws of Police Act 1967, Road Transport Act 1987, Local Authorities by Law (PDP) regulation. And lastly, to prevent the crimes within the community by doing more patrols, create a community awareness or even a crime prevention talks. This is to prevent from property crime, violence crime, social crime, and even cyber crime. That's all for me. Thank you.
One of the main benefits of community welfare is that it helps reduce poverty and inequality. Community welfare programs provide support such as financial aid, food assistance, education support, and healthcare service to people in need. This improves their quality of life, give children better educational opportunity, and help families become more financially stable. For example, a community food bank provides groceries to low-income families, allowing them to spend more of their income on education and healthcare. As a result, community welfare creates a fairer, more inclusive, and supportive society for everyone.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurmishalin Naniti Muhammad, and today I will continue to explain about the benefits of the community welfare. And the second benefit is community welfare gives rise to the cooperative morals of the people of the community. People who work together, provide support, and take shared responsibility for the benefits of society through welfare activities. This will help to build team spirit, new friendship, and caring culture is strengthened in the community. Next, enhancing the welfare of the community makes a better life for vulnerable groups, for example, the elderly, homeless, orphans, and etc. Welfare programs helps enhance the quality of the life and human dignity of its users in the provision of their basic needs, emotional support, and care. More significantly, they contribute to a compassionate and inclusive society in which no one is left out. Other than that, community welfare fosters community awareness and responsibility. It helps to promote awareness of the true social problems and inspire the people to act. People show the empathy, responsibility, and commitment to helping others through volunteerism and participation in activities. That's all from me. Thank you.
The last benefits of this campaign is it helps to strengthen community relationship and social bonding. Based on research by Putnam, strong social connection in a community can improve trust between people and increase cooperation in daily life. When people join community welfare activities, they have more chance to interact with each other in a positive environment. This interaction helps to reduce social distance between neighbors. According to Kawachi and Beckman, good social relationship can improve emotional well-being and reduce feeling of isolation. So, when the community becomes more connected, people are more willing to help each other and share responsibility in solving community issues. As a result of strong community bonding, the impact is very positive. Woolcock explains that social capital, which means trust and relationship in community, can improve collective action. This means people are more likely to participate in activities and work together. In addition, stronger relationship can reduce social problems such as misunderstanding, isolation, and even minor crimes. It also helps the community to respond faster during emergency like health or financial difficulty. Overall, the community becomes more safe, supportive, and peaceful. In conclusion, our campaign, One Community, 1K, highlight the importance of community welfare activities in creating a stronger and more caring society. Through these activities, community members can build trust, improve cooperation, and develop better relationships with one another. When people are connected and willing to support each other, the community becomes more united and inclusive. Strong community bonding can also help reduce social problems such as isolation, lack of communication, and community conflicts. At the same time, it creates a safer environment where people feel supported during difficult situations. Overall, this campaign encourages everyone to play an active role in helping others and contributing to the well-being of the community. By working together and caring for one another, we can create a sustainable, harmonious, and united community that reflects the true meaning of one community, one care.